Hello, fellow plantophiles. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the Rebecca Stopher Nepenthes. It's a medium-sized hybrid, and it's a cross between Nepenthes ventricosa and either Nepenthes gracillima or Nepenthes ramispina. Now, Nepenthes gracillima and ramispina could be the same variety and under a different taxonomy because sometimes plants get reclassified. But I didn't dwell in depth on that cross, even though I saw that between two different sources, the conflict in the variety that was crossed with Nepenthes ventricosa, or the name of the variety. So it was bred by Jeff Mansell of Exotica Plants, and some believe that he named it after his daughter. And these pictures can get up to 6 inches long or 15 centimeters, and you can see how they're very deep red in some cases. Sometimes on the internet you'll find some that are a little lighter and mottled in color, but you can see how it also looks a little bit ashy. And then the inside is a nice light color which contrasts. And these pictures, or the plants, they recommend bright indirect light. And I have this growing on a west side window that gets some afternoon sun. They like temperatures during the day up to 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 68 to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, they recommend really high humidity of over 80%, but the reality is it is March, and emerging from winter, the humidity levels are just now starting to rise, but you can see that it's still producing pictures, and the humidity right now in my sunroom is only at 39% relative humidity. So even though sources say you need to have at least 50% humidity, sometimes 80, depending on the variety, for a pitcher plant to form pitchers, that is a Nepenthes pitcher plant, the reality is different varieties are more robust. And this one is not just a very robust grower, but it can enjoy cooler temperatures than the norm or warmer temperatures. You know, you have highland and lowland Nepenthes, and this one seems to be just a very, very um, adaptable variety that is excellent for beginners. I was surprised at how fast this one has been growing compared to the other ones I have. Now, some sources say they can get up to 18 to 20 inches tall, so I'm going to have to figure out what to do once it outgrows this wicking setup. But I hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to perhaps add a Nepenthes Rebecca Stopher to your collection. After all, they are a very affordable variety. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!